Alright, YouTube, what's happening? What it is and what it do, man? It's your boy, Sneakerhead, Money Mitch, back at you, back like I never left. Man, I appreciate every last one of y'all rocking with your boy as I went and picked up my latest Jordan 1, which, without further ado, y'all seen the preview, all that good stuff. Y'all seen me pick them up at Foot Locker. But if not, man, y'all go ahead and go watch that vlog, man. I appreciate it, man. I tend to like doing vlogs nowadays more than anything. But without further ado, Jordan 1 box. You smell me. I like this box. For one thing, one reason why I like this box is because you don't know what's in it. If you still got your boxes, because your boy, I don't have containers yet. You feel me? I just got a green screen, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, let's get into it. Fresh up out that bizarre. He is none other than the Jordan 1. And like I said earlier in the last video, my card was at the bottom, normally it's at the top. So I'm pretty sure somebody been looking at these side of them. It's the Jordan 1. Yes, sir. Fearless. Retro. One thing. Do you understand me? You did. These is cold. I already showed y'all the box from last video. But for y'all that did not watch that or have not got a chance to check it out yet, but I know y'all gonna go back and rock with your boy. Show y'all the box real quick. Okay. So this Jordan 1, real quick before I jump into it, I want to tell y'all something I ain't tell y'all in the vlog. So I walk in the Foot Locker to pick up this pair, right? It's like it was 248 when I pulled up, so probably like 250, 253, something like that when I walked in there. So buddy at the register like, what side you need? Cause you know I coming up for the ones all the time. What side? I said 11. He replied, 11? Like, yeah. And there were two other dudes with him. So I know deep down he probably like, you the nigga with the 11, man. Cause I know they were ready to goddamn eat up their 11. But yes, your boy did pick up his pair. Man, you gotta be quicker than that. You smell. But I like these, man. These is gas to me. It took me, some Jordan 1s take longer than others for me to like. I haven't tried it on, but I'm pretty sure it's just like my gold toes. It is that patent leather outsole on these guys. And in an upcoming video, I will show y'all how to get the most comfort out of your Jordan 1s, especially these patent leather ones. So be on the lookout for that video. But yeah, sure, jumping straight into these guys. Fear hang tag. You did. Limits, like fears are often an illusion. On the other side, I'm guessing that's a Michael Jordan quote, because the signature is right up under that guy. All black tips on them, hints of red and white. Nike Air is in red. The background behind it is in white. Do you dig that? You smell me. So I got the little insert. This is hard, the insole. The insole is dope on these guys. Yes, sir. Flat black laces do come inside these guys. What laces y'all thinking? Y'all had them? How would y'all rock them? I'm thinking about doing the double laces. Also the white are gas for me. They're probably gonna be the one I go with. So I'll probably put that one in last just because that's what I'm gonna probably leave in the shoe. Other than that, man, leave your thoughts, comments, opinions below, man. Appreciate y'all rocking with your boy as always, man. Is y'all ready for that on feet? I said, is y'all ready for that on feet, man? Without further ado, let's get it, man.
Static on the track, bruh.
YouTube, welcome back, man. Appreciate y'all rocking with your boy. As I did that on feet for y'all, man, you know what I'm saying, man. It do take time to get these on feet out. But appreciate y'all patience, y'all rocking with me. Other than that, man, y'all the real MVPs for watching this video. Taking 10, 15, 20 minutes out your day just to rock with your boy. Money Mitch TV, nigga Money Mitch. You did, man. Shout out my boy Art by Fila again for designing this shirt for me. Also check him out on Instagram at Art by Fila. We got a lot of dope stuff. Other than that, man, appreciate y'all. Like, comment, subscribe, man. Like your boy Sneakerhead Money Mitch. Who that be? Oh yeah, that me. Like I always tell you, at the end of the day, make sure every last one of y'all like what you rock, man. And rock what you like, man. I'm screaming. Sheen, gang, man. I'm out.
She say money ain't gon' make it. That nigga ain't got no record deal, but I'm living straight. Gotta hop down street from Holyfield, grind and get the cake. Tryna cash out on a couple meal, poker face on, just to show the hater I'm for real. You can't stop my grind, cause a nigga like me, I'ma shine. I'ma always be by my you haters, y'all just wasting time. I swear to God, man, I'm